Many of you will wonder how to wash a Stark VARG. Well, in this video, we're going to tell you how to use the right tools in the right manner. First, start by putting the VARG on its stand, turning it off and removing the phone from its docking station. For a proper clean, you'll need a simple garden hose or a high-pressure washer that has a low setting. You'll need some brushes, cleaning products, and of course, the Stark toolbox. First, give the bike an all-over rinse. With a high-pressure washer, you must give yourself a safety distance of 1 to 2 meters, or 1 bike length, for all delicate parts like bearings, connectors, engine, battery, and of course VCU. For plastics and wheels, we can come closer and spray them properly. First, we start by removing the heavy mud. Using a mud scrape, we gently scrape off the larger chunks stuck to the bike's surface. We spray off any leftover dirt from the bike. Now remove the plastics to clean the inside. Change to the lower setting on the pressure washer to clean the rest of the bike. Make sure that everything is soaked thoroughly. We begin with the soap, applying it evenly across the bike and work it into all the surfaces to lift away the remaining dirt and grime. Now take the soft brush and clean the bike. You can give the bike a final rinse with the washer, with its setting still on low. Now dry the bike before installing the plastics and remove, where possible, any wet spots that are still remaining. Once the bike is clean and dried, we move on to the chain. Apply the chain lube thoroughly to ensure smooth, long-lasting performance. Finally, we finish with a multi-use lube on key moving parts to protect them and keep everything running smoothly. After applying all products, we can now reassemble the plastics. After you've cleaned your bike properly, please tick off the following checklist. No moisture around the connectors and brakes not contaminated with cleaner. That's how we wash a VARG safely and efficiently. Clean smart, ride smart. See you next Friday for the next one.